on us. Or Rehan, boys, you are getting my voice or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Start reading introduction part of terrorism.
Ma'am, can I read?
Boys, yes, start.
Terrorism. Terrorism is a global problem. Terrorist activities are an obstacle in progress of nation.
Obstacle.
Obstacles. Terrorism is an evil process of distributing the peace, brotherhood,
Brotherhood.
and unity of the nation. Terrorism spread fear in people through violence and hatred. The goal of terrorism is never scared or pure or great.
Yes. So it's a global problem which hinders our progress of nation. Yes. Then it disturbs the peace, unity of nation, and brotherhood. It spreads fear in people that someone will attack us, someone will do this activity. So it spreads the fear. So next, terrorism is an inhuman act done by a creation certain group of people in very planned way. It is done in group and it is pre-planned and they are done forcefully. Whose mic is on? Stop the unmute your mic. So it is done in group and which is planned and it is injustice. They attack us by cruel manner that disturb us. We are if we are working peacefully and someone come to us and disturb us, then you get angry. Yes or no? Yes
Yes,
or
ma'am.
no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So this activity is challenge to government. Yes. Then it is a planned activity and which is done forcefully. First, in past years, first of all, they attack. Some people attack in parliament, some in Hotel Taj. Some terrorist people attack Hotel Taj, then Mumbai bomb blast and attack in Akshardham. Yes, these activities, which things affect terrorism? That is no relationship, religion, language. These all things affect terrorism. And why terrorists? They take revenge with us. They keep in their mind and they take revenge with the people and affect our nation. Okay, so who will read? Who will read? Next paragraph. Who will read? Boys.
Ma'am, I am reading.
Yes,
Terrorism
start.
is an inhuman act done by certain group of people in very planned
In a
way.
very
What, ma'am?
no read.
It is the forced injustice or bullying or being cruel. The terrorist activity is a challenge for any government. Terrorism is planned activity done by forcibly. People are targeted mercilessly Anywhere, like in the past, there was attack on a parliament. Hotel Taj was
You're
attacked.
not coming.
Yes, ma'am.
Your voice is repeated.
Ma'am, your voice is cutting.
Read.
Mumbai bomb blast. What is, ma'am, this?
Attack on Akshardham, etc. So these are the examples of terrorist activities where they have attacked on Parliament House, which is in Delhi, on Hotel Taj, which is in Mumbai. They have done bombarding in Mumbai, bomb blast. They have done attack on Akshardham, that is in Gandhi Nagar. Okay. Last point. Last point.
No
Start
relation,
reading, Vita.
no relation, no relationship, religion, or language affect terrorism. Terrorists only have revenge in their mind.
Yes, so they take revenge with us. Okay. So, how can we fight to stop this terrorism? How can we fight against terrorism? Okay, which are the measures? So, we should be brave. We should be brave. Then, on intelligence, a Bureau of India has started affectionately. They started bravery work. Okay, then they create awareness among people to cooperate security forces. Yes, we have kept cameras in some places. Where there is crowd, where there is crowded places, people should remain alert against false advertisements. Those people who are spreading the rumors, those who are doing false advertisements, we should be alert. We should be all aware that they are spreading the rumors. Okay. Then in the airports, railway stations, then airport, railway station, etc. There CCTV cameras are kept, metal detectors are kept. When, for example, when you are going to railway stations, yes. So first of all, their people, security people are checking your bags and that all things. Yes or no?
No,
They are
ma'am.
checking
Sometimes is not
sometimes,
checking.
but in
Sometimes.
entrance there is in entrance there is metal detector where voice is coming and then only you can move inside.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So
Mm,
then apart of this, some challenges are kept
मैम वहाँ
that
पे कोई देखने के लिए होता नहीं है.
sometimes there is a security people those who are checking. Okay. So next then, so these are the steps we fight against terrorism. Okay, who will read this paragraph? Who will read this paragraph, last paragraph? Boys.
मैम only I am reading the
Yes, you read.
measure. We have to face it brave and discard cowardice in order to face terrorism. The intelligence bureau of the nation should be strong in you. Awareness regarding cooperation towards security force has been improved. Common people have to be very
Alert.
at, alert at public or crowd. They should keep themselves away from false advertisement and rumors creating panic.
The
The
security
security
forces.
force should be well equipped with CCTV cameras and metal detectors.
Yes. So these are the steps we fight for the terrorism. And next, the so these all are the internal problems which we have learned in detail, which India is facing. Okay. Then other topics that are natural disasters, boundary related problems, that this all are the internal problems which we have learned in detail. meaning of terrorism. Boys, I am telling you, what is terrorism? Tell me.
Terrorism means